But I am starting a new vlog today. We're just heading on the road. Just carrots, yellow yam.
Oh, I'm dangerous somebody. They are going to do it thing.
Season up the pot, add in the carrot and the stuff them. True. I'm gonna buy a bag of carrot.
Me always put the whole light in there. No going every goddamn thing.
Just going to drink some. And welcome back to the channel. I am starting a new vlog. We're going on the road. I don't know what is wrong with Zaya and her father, but I am starting a new vlog today. We're just heading on the road. I just finished fixing my wig. Stay tuned for the video, guys. No. $129. Yeah, I hear more one short.
Give me a phone. I try to make it have a 3 and 2.
Put this in there. I think more on the green one then instead. It's a saltfish and rendering. I know seeds. Chicken put you on chicken put? Eh?
What other option over out?
Well, we can get the try, but we still don't need some for Billy talk.
Try to put my soup?
Yeah, put tripe in there. Guys, can't find any cow skin, so I'm just gonna get some beef and make the soup. Let's see which one I'm gonna choose. But look on this little piece. I got much feed? $5.11. This. It's here. I'm gonna get the beef. Cause I'm gonna make some beef soup instead. Cause I'm not get no cow skin. So, may I use red peas? Same here. Which peas I want? No. Some of them not ready now. Some of them not ready at all. Another one here. Some of them, no matter what you do to them, they're not ready. I like that one here. No, me use this in a rice. In a rice and peas. Alright, so I need to get some coconut milk. And that is that. Coconut milk. Right, in the wrong aisle. We're going to Caribbean aisle. Wrong aisle. I need to get some.
Like I need any nougat or anything?
Yeah, we are getting nougat and coconut milk.
Coconut ice.
Milk! Coconut milk for putting in soup. Staple things, you know, so carrot and Irish are staple things I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy one chocho, I want a piece of yellow yam. And you don't really like yam, so I'm gonna get a big piece. And that is that. So guys, stay tuned for the video.
Leave it alone, man.
Hey guys, we just got home. We buy beef, peas, the peas here. Put them in a pressure cooker because we go pressure it with the beef. Don't throw the beef in there yet.
I wash everything together.
No.
Really?
This is chicken soup and this is duck soup. No, so with pea soup, you know, I don't put pumpkin in there. I'm gonna buy coconut milk to put in there and Irish carrots, yellow yam, one little piece of yellow yam, except I don't like yam, and chocho. Try your take. I'll buy some time because we never have none. So this is the peas. We're gonna wash it and then some garlic and the beef. So stay tuned for the video, guys.
Guys, the pressure cooker bubble. But I'm afraid of that something, you know.
You afraid of the pressure cooker?
Yes, man, the pressure cooker, I don't want easy something on it. I want danger or something, but if they are going to do it thing, it's why I'm kind of fascinated by it. You know, I take away from it because that's something, yeah. I just never know.
Hey guys, peas cook, just and the beef cook. So I go see it cook. Time now, I go just start season up the pot, adding the carrot and the stuff them. So stay tuned for the video, guys. I think we just gonna cook it in these. Alright, chocho, I'm gonna buy 2 chocho. I'm gonna buy a bag of carrot. And this is everything. I'm peeling the Irish. Peel all of them already, and just one leaf. I'm gonna put a lot of food in there. Okay. I'm already peel the carrot them. Peel the yam. Jeez, imagine I buy the yam here because it already did cut on both ends, so I could have see it. But look here, it's still, well, it's alright. I'm frightened, you know. Me think say it no good. If you need the flour, come and just ask Xavier again if you want spinners in the soup, and he say yes. So if you need the flour, I need to get that done. Alright, so the yam peel. The chocho them need to wash them off properly, and then that is that. Alright, so everything peel, wash my hand. Everything peel now. Now, chop them up and put in another pot. This is the dough. It's not a big dough. Just to make some spinach.
Yeah, they strain the noodle.
You want all of the noodles in there?
I don't mind it in there.
Alright, maybe I'll put the next one in there.
Is that a thing?
If it's a thing?
Yeah.
Like, what do you mean? It's a...
We strain it.
No, because I just want the seasoning.
Me always put the whole light in there. No go every goddamn thing. Yeah, me not normally strain it. I see people are straining it lately, that's why I ask if it's a thing.
Alright, so put that one in. You want the noodle in there?
Yeah, you can put it in there. I don't mind it in there.
One more. I'll put the next one in there.
I told him I put in there.
3. I'm strain this one off already, so see noodle here.
Oh.
So it's 3.
People, that pressure cooker come from far, you know.
Carrying a backpack from
Bring
Jamaica.
it from Jamaica and I'm a backpack. I'm big pressure cooker.
So, I need but look here, the peas not give you something no whole heap of color.
The peas don't really, don't make it red. It still have color, but it's just not red like how you want it for red.
Yeah, not red like how I want it.
Whole heap of food in there though.
Yeah, put them in there.
No man, that's good.
I'm not put not a lot of dumpling in
But
there.
we shouldn't put the beef in our pressure cooker.
No, you make the beef.
Yeah, I think the beef
Upstairs
would
I
have.
put Zaya for sleep.
No, I think the beef would have take long to cook. I never know if it would have cook that fast. I don't know if it would have cook that fast.
Oh, you can stop.
Guys, let me know in the comment section because Rochelle, that's the coconut powder. So she mix it up before she put it in the soup pot. Normally me just throw it in there and throw out the pot.
No, I don't do it like that. Come on, want it lumpy.
Well, I don't do all of them fancy stuff.
I know fancy stuff.
Put in her pot. So she put in a little bowl there. And I mix it up and then she go add it to the soup pot. Let me know in the comment section if I see how to do it because I first may see this in person.
I this me do all the time.
No man, I first may see this in person. I normally just throw it in a pot and just do my thing.
I saw me do it all the time. That means you say you're not paying attention.
No, I'm not paying attention, but I video here now, so I
alright,
watch
so
it.
what I'm doing time, you do the rice. You just throw in the powder in there too, in the peas.
Yeah, I mix it up.
I mix it up first and then I throw it in there.
I throw it in there and then I mix, stir up the pot.
So you have little lumps in
Yeah,
there.
get out some of the lump.
Right now it still have lump in there.
And then that's it. But I guess everybody do stuff different. So I gotta mix it up. Whole heap of soup, you know? We always cook whole heap of soup. We have one time we cook soup for about a week or more straight. Remember when you're pregnant?
I'm pregnant and that's the only thing we could tolerate. So we drink a lot of soup.
But we originally wanted some cow skin soup, but when I got to the store, they only have cow food. I guess we got the wrong president.
Because the one will go up so.
Yeah, but we did that far from that one then. Never another move to drive go way up there, so you know.
It still have the little lump them, but it got some of the others.
Yeah, it got cook out eventually.
Alright guys, so this is how the soup is looking so
So
far.
Well, it look good so far. Just the beef, I'm disappointed with the beef because
no, I don't know why you think that gonna take long for cook.
It cook out.
Alright. Guys, I'm going to get some of the soup. So I still not Xavier gone at his friend. So I'm just watching something on Netflix. is our way home, I think it's called. Guys, this is my bowl of soup. I'm just going to drink some before Zaya wakes up.